Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is Becoming Fave. So today we are making something colorful, refreshing, and Nigeria Zobo. If you've ever wanted that perfect homemade Zobo that is not too sweet, not too sour, and stays fresh for days, then you are in the right place. I will be showing you how I prep, boil, and flavor my Zobo to give it that rich and authentic taste today. So settle in, grab a seat, and let's get into the video. Make sure you watch this video to the end to know how to make your own Zobo from today and say no to soda. So I started by rinsing my hibiscus, that is my Zobo leaves, with clean water and added it to a big pot. Emphasis on big pot. Then I added my cloves and I took lemon that I wanted to use, washed, cut, and added it to my pot of Zobo, and this is what it looks like. The next thing is ginger. Yes, I started scraping my ginger. After that, I cut it into small parts so that I can blend it. Added it to my blender and blend. I added the juice, the already blended ginger, to my Zobo. And here comes our flavor for the day, pineapple. After rinsing it, I started by cutting the pineapple. After that, I started slicing it. I sliced it into small chunks so that I can blend it. I added it to my blender and blend. So after blending, I started adding the pineapple peels into the pot of Zobo, and this is what it looks like. Then came the juice, the blended pineapple we just did. I added it to the pot and stirred it. So I covered the pot, and after some time, this is what our Zobo looks like. I started with the filtering process. Yes, I used a big filter, then this sieve cloth, so that there will not be particles in the Zobo. And ta-da! Our Zobo is ready. The next thing is to can the Zobo so that I can put it in the freezer to give me that cold feel. This is it, rich, tasty, and homemade. So if you enjoyed me making this, kindly like this video, drop a comment and tell me if you'll be trying this recipe. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and share this video to somebody that will be struggling with soda or someone that loves Zobo as much as I do. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye bye.